Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to a beautiful park in Vicenza. The name of this park is Parco delle Maddalene or Parco Maddalene. This is my first time going there with my brothers and okay, first of all I've been in a cemetery in the parking area and I will show it to you later. And I think we have to walk 10 minutes to arrive to this park, so I'm gonna show you the environment of this place before to go there. Okay, let's go. I'm inside a cemetery right now. It's a long time I don't go to any cemetery, and I think I'm gonna wait. I don't feel good inside here. Okay, we have 29 degrees today and what to say, the weather was beautiful before to go outside, and now I'm hearing the sound of some thunders. It's about to rain, I don't know, I hope not, but look, listen to the sound of my dog and the birds. It's a very calm place and it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. Let's continue this walk. Okay guys, this is the perfect example of every time I've said in this channel that art is nature, we are nature. I'm not gonna speak because I want you to realize what I say with your own brain, but I will show you something now. We have to be careful because the ground here is a bit woo, and of course I have my little dog with me, and so anyways, this is what I want to show you. I always said, and that's not just and only me in life, you can even find the same words in Jung, in James Hillman and many other psychologists. We are a river. The life is a river. We have to continue to flow. It doesn't matter what happens. Continue to flow. Don't get stuck like these branches there. They are not going anywhere. Continue to flow, even if you don't know where. Give your life mystery. Can you hear the thunders? This is a mystery too. The dead leaves of the winter are becoming green. A new season of life is getting born. It's coming to life. It's here. Flowers, blooms. After these trees become naked, fully naked, and then they rebuild themselves. Always. That's not a non-stop process. Okay guys, I think this is all for this adventure. I'm going in another park, but I will upload it another day, maybe tomorrow. So take care of yourself. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you tomorrow with the next park and adventure. Ciao and meow.